Matula-Tula Agrarian Reform Community Cooperative, or MARCO, is a farmers' organization located at Pola, Mindoro Oriental, Philippines. At present, the cooperative has a total membership of 520 farmers, covering 243 men and 277 women, with 47 youth farmer members. Marco's primary products are citrus fruits, calamansi, and the landan, or the Philippine lime. Marco gathers their members' produce, process, and place them on the market. They provide free technical training and capacity building skills to their farmer members, sponsored by the government and various agri-agencies like ASIADRA.
Noon po ako isang hindi pa member na isang kooperatiba, ako po ay hindi lumalabas ng bahay, mahiyain. Pero nung po ako ay naging member ng kooperatiba, natuto po akong humarap sa tao na hindi na po, yung pong magiging mahiyain ko, tapos ako po ay natuto ng mga training. Sa pagte-training pong yun, katulad po sa mga sa organic farming, yun po ay na i-apply ko na sa aming buhay.
Ayun po, ang naging maling katulungan ng co ay yung hindi na kami naghahanap kung sino ang bibili ng kalamansi. Because ay co-op na ang kukuha ng kalamansi para hindi mahirapan pagbenta ang mga member nito.
As of June 2023, Marco has sustained its market and expansion of citrus products continue for both processed and fresh. Sales from January to June 2023 reached 773,000 pesos or 14,000 euros off-peak season. Marco targeted 4 to 5 million sales for 2023 with 20% increase to the 3.8 million peso or 67,000 euro sales in 2022.
Magandang araw, ako si Christy Marasigan. Ako ang kasalukuyang punong tagapangasiwa ng kooperatiba, Matula-Tula Agrarian Reform Community Cooperative.
ASIADRA accompanied Marco through organizational capability strengthening, specifically supporting its management personnel and developing business systems.
Since 2016, nakasama namin yung ASIADRA. Actually, ang ASIADRA ay isang mahalagang bihikulo para sa pag-unlad o pag-angat nitong kooperatiba. Sapat yung tulong para mapacilitate yung iba't ibang aspeto ng operasyon ng kooperatiba.
The Farmers Fighting Poverty Programming and the FO for Asia initiatives of ASIADRA with AgriCord, IFAD and EU improved the cooperative in agribusiness and building farmers' technical capacities. They learned constructive engagement skills and were able to network with the banks, government agencies, and agri-agencies on several projects to support their farmer members. Addressing the challenges of climate change, Marco continues its advocacy on organic farming and agroecology and keep the operation of the Calamansi Integrated Diversified Organic Farming System.
Sa organic farming kasi, tinutugunan din namin yung problema namin sa waste na nanggagaling sa processing. Halimbawa, yung mga balat ng kalamansi. So, ito ay nakaplano na gamitin namin raw materials sa paggagawa ng biocompost, no, na magiging kami rin yung magsusupply nito sa mga miyembro para sa kanilang mga sakahan bilang bahagi ng pagtugon din namin sa nangyayaring krisis sa klima, ang hindi paggamit din ng synthetic fertilizers, no?
Na dapat yan magamit. Kagaya halimbawa po, yan sang-ayon po sa nag-research sa gobyerno, yan daw po yung makukunan ng mga langis at mas mahal pa kasi katas. At yan po ay nagagamit na pamakain sa hayop, kagaya po sa baboy.
Tinatangkilik ang aming produkto sa mga eskwelahan, catering services, dito rin sa mga malalaking events sa lalawigan, at ito yung mga ready to drinks namin, no.
Marcos serves as a learning hub for other farmers to learn technical farming skills. Recently, Marco has shared livelihood knowledge with the indigenous peoples group in the island, the Mangyans.